stop everything. Because these December diamond codes for 99 Nights in the Forest are giving out up to 900 free diamonds. And you can claim them in seconds. Hey everyone, welcome back. The brand new December update has just landed. And it is absolutely packed. New events, new rewards, and yes, some insane diamond codes that you definitely don't want to miss. Alright, here's what you do. Open 99 Nights in the Forest, tap the diamond icon, scroll down, and hit the code section. This is where you'll enter every December code I'm about to drop. Type it in, press submit, and just like that, the diamonds go straight into your account. No waiting, no nonsense. And listen, these codes are not the regular ones floating around. These are December exclusive, limited time, high-value diamond codes, plus a secret code. I'll reveal at the end that almost nobody has used yet. So don't blink, you might miss the best part. Before we start dropping codes, do these 3 super simple things. Smash that like button. Make sure you're subscribed. To comment your Roblox username below, I'm picking a few lucky viewers for a December diamond bonus giveaway. And the earlier you comment, the better your chances. Alright, ready? When I read out the codes, enter them exactly as you hear them. A single wrong letter. Code won't work. They're active right now, but they won't stay active for long, so redeem them immediately. If the code shows success, congrats, your free diamonds are already waiting for you. And remember, I'm uploading brand new December codes every single week this month. So if you want to stay ahead of everyone else, turn on notifications right now. That's it for today. Go grab your free December rewards. Jump back into the game and enjoy the update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your username. See you in the next video.